Look at this room. Look at this sad gray rectangle of generic chocolate. We have been eating the exact same dull snacks for decades, and we rarely even question it anymore. Snacking has become an automatic habit loop. You get a craving, you walk into a store, and you grab a familiar wrapper on autopilot, biting into a product you haven't actually looked at in years. Massive candy companies have spent years convincing us that mystery ingredient chocolate is the only option, as if a candy bar is supposed to be a complicated chemical formula. Flip over almost any standard bar on the shelf today. You will find a microscopic paragraph of synthetic emulsifiers and preservatives that most people can't even pronounce. What used to be a simple, rewarding treat has turned into eating highly processed chemicals. It is an artificial chore, and it is time for a reset. Inside a standard bar, you'll find polyglycerol polyricinoleate, or PGPR. These artificial texturizers do nothing to improve flavor. They simply replace real ingredients with cheaper alternatives. Mathematically, this bloated formula means artificial fillers actively crush the actual cocoa down to a tiny sliver. These engineered science experiments exclusively benefit corporate profit margins, while making the actual eating experience worse for the person buying it. We need to break through the gray, boring baseline of legacy snacking. The response to this over-engineering is radical minimalism. It is the strategy of throwing out the lab equipment and stripping a product down to its bare essentials. Feastables exists as the physical application of that minimalist philosophy. The formula operates on one uncompromising rule: use exactly 5 natural, high-quality ingredients. No exceptions and no hidden paragraphs of chemical text. Stripping away the chemical noise allows the premium ingredients to dominate the flavor profile. Without the fillers, the genuine quality of the cocoa finally has the space to stand out. Comparing them side by side, the left is a complex legacy tree of 20 chemicals. The right is a clean 5-node framework. Legacy relies on synthetic cocoa and hydrogenated oils. The minimalist approach replaces those with rich organic cocoa mass and pure cocoa butter. Because the quality of the fat is higher, you don't need to inject industrial emulsifiers like PGPR to bind it all together. Removing those binders means there is nothing blocking your taste buds from the chocolate. Finally, we have the sweeteners. Instead of masking the flavor with heavy, high-fructose corn syrup blends, a minimalist bar uses simple cane sugar to complement the cocoa. In a direct matchup, a 5-ingredient profile systematically defeats an engineered formulation because it relies on the purity of the components rather than the complexity of the processing. These ingredient choices translate directly into the eating experience. Because the chemistry of the bar is simpler, the way it interacts with your palate changes. Without synthetic binders coating the roof of your mouth with a waxy film, your palate stays clear. This allows the rich cocoa flavor to register on your tongue almost instantly. Using real cocoa butter provides a satisfying audible snap when you break it, followed by a smooth, rapid melt that hydrogenated oils cannot replicate. When you start with better, simpler ingredients, the result is a superior taste that doesn't need to be propped up by additives. When a simpler product succeeds on a global scale, it forces the rest of the industry to justify why their own lists remain so complicated. This shift makes the old reliance on mystery ingredients look like a choice rather than a necessity. This gives the power back to the consumer. You now have a proven alternative that allows you to reject the long lists of fillers and chemicals for good. This approach scales across the entire lineup. Whether you prefer milk chocolate, peanut butter, or dark chocolate, the 5-ingredient philosophy provides a consistent, high-quality result. Settling for heavily processed, over-engineered snacks is no longer the only option. Choose the upgrade and experience what happens when chocolate is made with 5 simple ingredients.